welcome to your Wallops weather briefing. Well, yesterday we saw some mild temperatures with our high temperature getting up to around 78 degrees. And we saw a backdoor cold front move in late yesterday afternoon. We've seen a colder air mass make its way into the region, and really some low-level cloudiness filling into the area as well, which should stick around for most of the day today. I want to take a look here at our current surface analysis. You can see that cold front well to our south, surface high pressure to our north, combining to provide us with that northeasterly to easterly flow today. So the low-level clouds that we have in place are going to be hard to erode away this afternoon, with those mostly cloudy to overcast conditions continuing throughout most of the day today, and temperatures really having a hard time to move much warmer than what they are right now. We should see temperatures remaining in the 50s throughout the day today. I want to take a look here at our visible satellite imagery, and you can see all the low clouds extending across the area today. Really not seeing any breaks in those low clouds as of this morning, and again, we will see a very hard time to catch any breaks at all in the clouds as we go into the afternoon. Taking a look at our high resolution model here and what we can expect as we go through the next couple of days. Looking for dry conditions today, even though we will see those low clouds. And then later this evening, seeing a slight chance of a few showers work their way into the area. Overnight, seeing some more scattered showers moving in. I think the best chance for seeing some precipitation will be during the early morning hours of Saturday. Could even see an isolated embedded thunderstorm as we go through the early hours of Saturday as well. And then seeing all that activity move out of the way off the coast as we get into the mid-morning hours into the afternoon, likely seeing some breaks in the clouds and seeing a decrease in overall cloud coverage as we go into the afternoon on Saturday as well. Looking ahead to Sunday, we're going to see dry conditions continuing throughout the day, but we will see a system begin to take shape to our south. It looks like all the precipitation will stay south of our area on Sunday, but we will likely see the clouds really increase as we go into the Sunday afternoon time frame. So again, here's another look at what we can expect. This is the European model. Some shower activity later on this evening into the early morning hours of Saturday, then dry conditions continuing as we go into the afternoon Saturday into Sunday. The shower activity remaining to or south on Sunday, with just a slight chance that we see the northern fringe of that precip shield move into our area Sunday evening, only looking at about a 10% chance of any kind of precipitation occurring from that system as it moves off the coast Sunday night. And then as we go into the work week next week, looking for dry conditions until we get into the Wednesday evening time frame, where we'll see a weak frontal passage provide us with a slight chance of a few afternoon showers. Looking ahead to the upper level wind chart this morning, seeing the winds generally out of the northeast as we look into the low levels of the atmosphere, seeing the winds turn a little bit more westerly in direction as we get up to around 25,000 feet. Freezing level this morning at 11,400 feet. And as we look at the next 24 hours, going to see mainly cloudy conditions throughout the next 24-hour period. Rain chances begin later this evening after about 8 o'clock, running only a slight chance during the evening hours, with a better chance after midnight tonight. So we go into the early morning hours, running about a 10% chance of an isolated thunderstorm or two early tomorrow morning. And then seeing that precipitation move out of the area, we'll see the low clouds start to break up as we go through the day on Saturday as well, and might even see partly cloudy to mostly sunny skies as we get into the later portion of the day on Saturday. For Sunday, looking for more clouds, increase in cloudiness as we go into the evening hours, with a 10% chance of some precipitation. Just some light activity expected for Sunday evening, with most of that shower activity staying to our south. And then we'll see good conditions as we go through the work week next week. Looks like mainly dry conditions, with only about a 20% chance of precipitation on Wednesday, but seeing mostly sunny conditions throughout most of the week, with high temperatures in the 60s and our overnight low temperatures generally running in the 40s and 50s. That'll wrap it up for today's Wallops weather briefing. We'll be back again Monday morning at 8:15 and at 10 a.m. Have a nice day.